first race-ready Tesla Model S has been unveiled during a test day for the soon-to-be-launched electric GT series in Jerez, Spain. The Model S race car is based on a production-spec Tesla P100DL. Output of the electric motors has been boosted to 778 horsepower and 734 pounds-to-foot of torque, which has lowered the 0 to 60 miles per hour time to 2.1s. Thanks to a stripped interior, a touring car-style aero kit, beefed-up brakes and lightweight wheels wrapped in sticky Pirelli slick tires, the F should prove to be rather handy around a race circuit, and initial feedback from test drivers was positive. Set to start racing next year, the electric GT series is the world's first production-based electric racing series. All competitors will race identical Tesla P100D-based cars on a variety of European racetracks including the Nürburgring GP circuit, Valllunga and Silverstone. The FIA-sanctioned series will contest 10 races in its first season and will be supported by a jointly developed e-karting series and an online-based e-sports sim racing series. The first electric GT Model S was delivered to SPV Racing. The team tested the car at Jerez, a former Formula One circuit, before the vehicle was shipped to Barcelona for it to be displayed at an event attended by media and series sponsorship partners. This is a very significant day for the championship as we deliver the first race-ready EPCS car to SPV Racing, said Electric GT CEO MyChannel. Years of planning and hard work have gone into delivering this championship, and today I'm proud to be presenting a real, thoroughbred, race-ready car that will challenge all comers and thrill fans around the world. This is exactly the caliber of race car that will allow us to showcase and to fully engage the potential of the electric future.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.